Hi, Sammy. I'm Dr. G. Do you know why you're here? Your father tells me you've been acting a bit aggressive. I'm going to give you this toy. I want to see if you could gently play with it and try and control your impulses. I see. Your father also tells me you experienced some trauma in your childhood. What you're going through is very common. Feeling abandoned by your mother, never knowing your real father. It's okay, Sammy. It's normal to feel angry with your parents. But we have to find a way to deal with the past and control our outbursts of anger. I want you to take this new toy home with you. Be mindful of your impulses and try not to rip the elephant's leg off.